Good morning mga kainday. Kumusta na kayo? Sa lahat ng aking mga subscribers at lalo na sa mga OFW sa ibang bansa. Sana nasa maayos kayong kalagayan. Kumusta na kayo? Happy Monday sa ating lahat. Kagising ko lang. At nagising na ako dahil sa ingay ni Daddy.
These 5 words and I beg you.
Magsasahing muna ako kainday kasi wala kami natirang rice kagabi na i-fried rice ko sana para sa almusal ng anak ko. Yung asawa niya nauna na umalis, mas maaga yun pumapasok kasi ayaw yun malilate sa trabaho. Yung anak ko hindi na rin sumabay kasi magmamotor lang daw siya. So yung anak ko na lang ang handa ko ng breakfast at tulog pa sila kasama ng baby. So maglilinis muna tayo ng sala ng kababaong kabahayan para paglabas ng baby at ng anak ko ay malinis na yung sala. So mga kainday, linis-linis muna tayo habang hinihintay ang pagising nila.
Kung gusto mo wireless, kapalitan mo natin. Ano ba? What? Here. Let's watch.
I'm listening also. I'm listening.
What?
Wow, very nice when you're
Okay, I'll sit down. No.
Oh, okay. What happened?
What? I just kiss your daddy, look.
Then this week so.
I'm going to drink medicine. Ay, yung pala nakalimutan natin gawin mo. Yung gamot. Natanong mo natin pagka...
Nakalimutan ko din eh. Kung napainom si Daddy ng gamot na, may gamot naman siya pang gabi.
Ano na yun na pala? Wala na ba?
Ano sa siya na ba? Kain mo natin ng kain mo. May kape yan.
No. That's medicine. We don't touch medicine, okay?
Nandiyan pa man sa'yo yung reseta na yun na. Ay, tandaan ni baby.
Ay, nothing to take break. It will break. The glass will break. Dali. You don't touch medicine.
Okay, that's what Daddy. So Daddy will keep healthy and strong, like baby Ponchi. Okay, baby Ponchi.
What?
Baby, like baby Ponchi.
Baby daw. Dali ka medicine. So you accept that for you? No, you give the baby. I'll drink it. Nani, don't call me baby.
Daddy will drink water.
Give.
Give it to Daddy.
I don't know. I'll drink medicine. Oh, daddy's sick.
Daddy, so Daddy can drink medicine.
You're sick too? You want to drink medicine? Okay, you drink your medicine. This is it.
Give.
More. The other one. Thank you, please. Wow. Very good.
Mura dito sa ano.
Alin?
Mura dito sa sa Katoa, sa ano, sa loob ng grocery. Dito sa mall.
Alin?
Yung gamot nila.
Gamat? May ano ba? Para ba?
Oo, nandun sila lahat. Chinek ko man, tapos yung bumili ako. Yung dalawa lang naman. Yung keto at saka Pebok system.
Yung 20. Yeah. Meron pa kasi dati? Pagos na.
Wala lang.
Wala na?
Yung pang-ano na siya sa
Ano na pagos? Nabigay na sa kotse.
bigay na ng authorization si Pan.
What? Why you say here?
Pero much better na to tell the truth about this already that you're going na. You will be Daddy is going to work already. And Daddy will be late.
Can you go to it? So I can buy you toys? So, what? So Alfonso will go to work also, no? Okay.
Daddy will not make bola-bola to you that he is going to
Don't say bad word,
work.
no?
Daddy will go to work.
Bible?
And Daddy will buy you a big toy.
Can that go to work? Yeah, and I have to find Ryan's Bible. Wow.
And Mommy also will let you play outside. Okay?
Wow!
You will watch Daddy while going, Daddy. Come. We will take
You wait until I give you permission, okay?
Come, we go outside.
Wow.
No, don't bring your tablet.
No, just put the tablet there. Just we will get the
Tablet and phone.
Where is
You plug your tablet. Oh, your slippers.
Not that. That's so big.
Maganda yung...
Daddy will go to work.
Maganda yung inot kasi yun ang vitamin.
Vitamin D na nito.
Eh, di ba? Yun lang.
Ay ba?
Easy na rin.
You wanna go back to Singapore? Maybe?
Yun siya. I need to. Because Singapore needs me. Yes. Oh my. Imagine. Basura. Imagine.
We will just watch. Umiyak. Ha?
A few moments later.
Caleb? 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 Not Caleb, Caleb. What's the right pronunciation? Caleb. Hindi daw Caleb. Caleb.